This video shows the unboxing and setup process for the FR-AMR-300. Next, I'll walk you through the power-up process. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to switch from left to right to turn the device on. Open the network and internet settings on your computer and select the Ethernet adapter option. Change the IP address to 19.168.58.x, then click Confirm to save. Open your browser, enter 19.168.58.3 to 3000 in the address bar, and access the controller interface. The username is admin, and the password is 123,456. After logging in, open remote desktop connection and connect to 19.168.58.3. Go to the mode selection screen. In the status bar at the top of the main control interface, locate the area that displays the current mode. The system displays a password prompt. Type the default password or the password preset by the administrator 123456. Click Confirm or press the Enter key to submit. Once the password is verified, the system immediately switches modes. If the current mode is manual, switch to automatic mode. If the current mode is automatic, switch to manual mode. The joystick allows users to interact with the AMR through the software interface. This feature is located in the manual control panel or the navigation bar on the main interface. Before operating, make sure the robot is set to manual mode. Confirm that there is sufficient clearance around the robot and there are no obstacles or people. Find the virtual joystick component on the control interface. Move the mouse cursor and hover over the center of the joystick. Hold down the left mouse button and get ready to drag the joystick. Drag the center of the joystick in the direction you want to move. When you release the left mouse button, the joystick will automatically return to the center. Upon receiving a stop command, the robot should immediately begin decelerating and come to a stop. Go to the Tasks menu and click Create Task in the upper right corner to create a new task. Click Edit Task to edit the waypoints, then confirm and save the task. Go to the Users and User Groups interface, where you can edit user permissions and passwords. Go to the Monitoring interface, where you can view system logs, controller logs, and server logs, and download them. Go to the Settings, where you can adjust the language and theme and check the software version. That concludes our walkthrough of the FR-AMR-300 unboxing and setup. Thank you for watching.